So last part we need to do is we need to rename this because it's similar to this. Let's go over here and at the end of it, let's name this SRB for server so we can know which one's what. Let's go over to BP player character. Open up the kill streaks or the event graph and look for kill streaks. You can see kill streaks right here. Drag them out, make it bigger. Okay. And then copy this node here. Paste it down here, these two nodes. And then hit IA use kill streak 3, this one. And then off of this one, we're going to get try use kill streak 3. And that should open up this one, and it does. Okay. So, alright. Now that that's done, let's put a comment around it called use kill streak 3. And you can close your BP player character now. Open up the WB kill streaks progress. And when we said we'd come back to this, this is where it binds on when you actually use the kill streak. So what we're going to do is we're going to come off this. We're going to go in our kill streak and see what we named our event dispatcher. So we have updated, and then we need used and used. So we need to get the used one inside of here, which will be kill streak, and then let's make a kill streak 3 used. Okay, bring this in and then hit call, and then pop that right there. And there's that. Back over here and use, copy that. Back over here, come off of this pin here, and then hit bind to kill streak 3 used, drag it over here, off of this, and then see that's on UAV used. We'll just put this one like a new custom event. And on kill streak 3 used. And then hook this in from this bind on the last bind that bond, and then we're going to copy this one and this one. Okay. And we're going to pop that over there like so. We're going to do that, and then you're going to see this here. We're going to go up here to our animations and get the used right there. Boom. And then on the input button of the 1, we're going to get the input button for 3, which is this. And then we are going to save that, and that should do when I click on it, when I get a kill and then I use the kill streak, it should disappear. Alright, so I got a kill streak. It says execution is ready. And if I hit 7, it goes away, and now it says it's active. And we know it ran because in the top left corner it says X-ray vision active. So that would be where your logic goes for whatever you want your your kill streak to be. That's that. And then if you die, let's see if it resets properly whenever we die. And if it does, then we're good to go and you guys are finished if it does. It reset and it works. Alright, so that completes the tutorial on how to do kill streaks. I may update the tutorial series later on with some other features for the kill streaks, but that concludes everything. But don't forget to, before we go, to put this back down on 6. That way, kill streak 1, or whatever your kills, whatever you want your kills to be for each one of these kill streaks. So you'll have to reset all of these up. You should know how to do that. If you don't, go back and watch the other previous videos. Have a good one.